Yesterday I made it up to Castro Valley because Yami had summoned me to do a carpet patch in our showroom. And I just wanted to go and show you how I did that. A little bit creative using the Kool Glide Iron and some techniques that I've developed over my 30-something years of installing. So as we watch along here, you'll see the damage caused by a sample rack. And the piece that we had left over was fairly new, so you can see that I cut the rows first, then I heated up my knife, creating a hot knife to make the lateral cuts against the grain. And then I inserted the Kool Glide tape into the patch. I centered it, made sure it's the distance of the iron, and then I cut a new piece from the piece that Yami gave me, and I took the patch piece, the piece that was going to be the patch, and I sealed the edges with the hot glue. The hot glue has phosphorus in it, so if you need to check, or if an inspector came by and checked, which he's not going to check our showroom, you would see that. But in a residential situation or a sales situation, if we're doing a seam with a Kool Glide iron or any iron in general, you want to seal those edges with a phosphorus. There we have the sealed edge piece, and I'm going to fit it in snugly, make sure it fits nice and tight, and then I'll set up the Kool Glide iron. In this case I put it on high so that I could get a nice hot melt, and it also remelts the hot glue to seal both sides of that patch. Once it's heated up and the green light goes off the Kool Glide iron, I will roll it with my tractor roller, which on a loop carpet is a good idea. On a plush carpet, we don't want to be using that tractor roller. We like to use a solid roller. So once I finish rolling it, I end up taking the sample board, which I was using as a cutting board, and I stuck it on top of there, and I used my own weight to let that cool in a flat position. And once that is done, you can see the result in this video, and I bet you can't find the seam. I bet you can't find the patch. Can you find the patch? That's okay, we'll throw some dirt on it and it'll blend in about a week or so. Anyhow, there you go. We have a nice Kool Glide facilitated custom patch in our showroom.